I am buying a coffee. I am crossing the road. I am using my phone. I'm opening the door. I'm waiting for the bus to arrive. I'm choosing fresh fruits to buy. I'm ordering my favorite meal. I'm drinking water. I'm reading an interesting book. I'm calling my friend right now. I'm working on my laptop. I'm riding my bike in the city. I'm taking a taxi to my destination. I'm shopping for new clothes. I'm enjoying my meal.